people, where I come from. Okra and thyme. We managed to make a ponytail yesterday, so I think I want to refresh it. I think I have a video to shoot today, but before we do that, there's this thing that I'm trying out, right? I've seen it, I saw it on what's this, Instagram. I did my full research on it. There's no scientific explanation to it. It may work, it may not work. So this is okra in water. Okra in water. You know, I eat a lot of okra. I've been eating a lot of this, but now okra and thyme. But I don't have thyme, I don't have dry one, so I just put a little bit, but most of it is okra. Apparently it helps with delivery. So I've done my research, not scientific research, but rather I've checked what other people, how it has worked with other people, and you get a lot of different views. Others say it works, others say it doesn't work, it's completely harmless, and so forth and so forth. So it's just something that I decided to take. So I don't know, I might give you feedback. Just let me know after delivery. Like I said, we are 35 weeks. We are 35 weeks in, so soon we're about to pop. So you take this when you are 35, you know, all the way there, but you can take it at 36, 34, it depends, but just don't take it earlier. Take it when the baby is fully developed, because like the thyme, I believe it's mostly to induce labor, but if you're just drinking the okra, it's just to help you at birth, for the baby to sleep out, not to have stitches if possible, or if you do get stitches, not a lot of them. So we're gonna experiment that. That's what we're gonna be doing. This is just a simple jar. We eat a lot of beetroot in this house, so it's just a simple jar that I just washed and then cut my okra in it. I bought fresh okra yesterday. I made this last night, so you have to do it the previous night so that you can drink it overnight. So this is what we have. I can see the sliminess, but not so much. So you can drink this throughout the day, or you just drink it once a day. It's really up to you. So I'm gonna drink it throughout the day. So of course you can see the sliminess of it all. I just spoke to some of my people where I come from. This feature of sliminess, there's something called Lunemwe. It's also a family of okra. It does this slimy thing and whatnot. So it's believed, not really in my culture, but my people back in the day used to use it, and some still use it up to now, because someone also referred me to it. Like, you just put it in water, I guess you soak it in water overnight, then you wash every morning. So it's also one way you could do that. I don't know how true that is. All the Caprivians, Zambians gather here. Let's gather here for a small bit. Let's confirm if that case is true. Yeah, so we're gonna drink this for a day, for the whole day, and then I'll make new water again for tomorrow. Nothing fancy, it's just getting okra, cut it in pieces, put it in a jar, put water, put it in the fridge. I'm really getting tired. So I was thinking of making a video today, like an announcing video. So that's why I want to make myself look a bit pretty and presentable. Yeah, and also yesterday I managed to buy the bag, my hospital bag, and try to put things together. So I think it will be boring to be showing you what is in my hospital bag, because really every pregnant mother here on YouTube, they do that, and it's mostly the same thing, so nothing new, nothing fancy. So it's just the same old, anything that you put. But yeah, what did I get mostly for the baby? What did I get for the baby yesterday besides this? I just bought this. These are Huggies. So I just thought of going in with two different. This was a gift from one of the aunties. And this is also Huggies, just in case one doesn't work, then we're just ready. It's still a mess in here. I haven't even gotten time to clean properly for me to show you what I have and how everything else is set up. Yeah. So let's see how the rest of the day goes. And I've also, my aunt brought me sour milk yesterday, so which means today we're gonna party. Let me drink. I'm talking too much. It doesn't taste like anything. I don't know, it doesn't taste like anything. It's just water taste, and maybe you can taste the sliminess. Yeah, it doesn't really taste like anything. It's just pure water. It's just water. It's just that it's water with texture. There's some sliminess to it. God, this more baby. I don't know if you can see that, but he moves. The same way he's moving like this is the same way he moves. So yeah, I was talking about sour milk. So right now I think it's my lunch is gonna be pop in cocoa with sour milk, because now even my what is this, my heartburn is a bit lower. I don't know if it's true. Looks like maybe my tummy is dropping, because I remember I used to see it from here, but it's kind of dropping, I guess. So maybe what they say is true. As the baby drops, no more gastric stories, so I can eat my sour milk in peace. So I think I'll have sour milk, I'll have fish with either okra or maybe spinach. Oh guys. Pregnancy, oh my goodness, I wish there was a manual to it. And you know what, people will be just telling you that just get pregnant, but they don't tell you the whole story that goes in it. Okay guys, I almost died just now. Just when I said bye. Yeah. Honest review. Gosh, I almost died. Coming from vomiting, unfortunate, there's nothing that is coming out except water. But I think it's mostly because of what stays on the tongue. Lately I'm a bit sensitive. I'm not someone who does vomit. I'd rather have diarrhea than vomiting, so I'm guessing this might be the end of it. I'll let you know really if I will continue, but I don't know. Maybe we try again tomorrow. As for now, we're done. I just drank that half. Quickly had to run to go. I'll keep you updated. Let me go take a shower, look pretty, and get the next.
Hi guys, once again. This is me giving feedback about this experiment. I'd like to tell you that this was the first and the last time that I ever drank from this water, because when I looked at the water the following day, I just couldn't. It reminded me of the previous day, the vomiting that I had because of the lime sticky kind of thing. But apparently it's something that really works for other people, but some use cocoa water instead of just water, so maybe that gives some taste to it, and then maybe it gives you courage to continue drinking it. But in my case, it didn't go any further than this. So I just had vomiting, so the thought of vomiting again was just turning me off. But let me know in the comment section if you have heard of something like this, and if you know about it, and maybe your different opinions, if it ever worked for you, if this is your first time hearing about it. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Help me grow this channel, help us grow. Continue sharing my videos to your friends and family. Let's continue growing this channel. We are on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.